Duo sloopage. Oh, I got one little skelly on me right now. I'm messing them up though. It's getting dark, bro. I hate that because they usually have shadow ones that come out. Alright, they're all coming in now. I can hear them. Music's getting weird.
Yeah, it's creepy time. It's time to get a little bit weird and a little bit creepy.
Where are all you guys? There we go. Come at me, bitches. Come on. Right. Where's the rest of you? Are y'all in here just chilling? Just waiting for me to get in here? How did you not die? Is there anyone coming? Or are you just ringing for fun?
Just ringing for pussy.
Oh, there's tons of bananas here. What the fuck? Those came out of nowhere. Okay. Yeah, come at me, bitch. I'm down here now. Oh, I got some bitches on my dick.
I got a mega sucking my clip. Pussies.
Ooh. Is that a good shot for me to lure them? Should I just try and lure them here?
Those rocks are pretty good because there's a lot of
like bounce off of it. Right? Shoot,
yeah,
shoot, shoot. But this, I found a banana barrel. Hopefully I can keep using it. Oh, my game is lagging so bad. Stop. What is Ethernet cable? Why do I pay so much for Wi-Fi if this is what I get? Oh, they're all metal guys again, so get ready to snipe. Gotta get some bananas. My game is lagging unbelievably hard right now. This is fucking pissing me off.
Really?
Not really, like not terrible, but you can just like notice it. Like, why am I jagging so hard?
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is not fun. Ready for these guys? Squiz up. One more.
They're not ready for it.
Oh! What? Wiggly, wiggly.
Wrigley's gone. Wrigley's gone.
How are they hitting me? I'm dead, I'm dead. I need you, I need you. Ah! There we go.
There we go. Still one left. Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, boats tipping down. Okay, that one's pretty good. Nice.
Nice,
Now I need
nice.
this last one. The water needs to go down, and he's dead. Boom. Man, I'm deadly with the canny. I'm not gonna talk shit here, but these guys had me do it one match, and I was fucking it up. But I only had these fucking 5, man. So
Oh, I
5
need to go
left.
grab some bananas. Yeah, they're like right in the right in the gateway here. Nice, 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 nice.
Yee.
Nice! Oh,
Yee.
fuck yeah, boy.
I need cannons though. Next round, that quick, son.
Climb, you autist. Why can't you climb up a ladder? What the fuck? Are you too retarded to climb up a ladder? Why is this guy
We're
walking
completely
in the air?
sideways. Our boat's in the air. Our boat's floating.
What? Yeah, this like skeleton is walking in the air.
Look at this floating boat, man.
I can't see the. I don't even see the boat.
It's upside down in the sky right now.
Oh, what the fuck, dude?
What the fuck?
Yo, what the fuck? Yo!
And now I'm like loading somewhere else. Fuck you, Sea of Thieves.
Me too.
Fuck you. If this. Oh my god!
Almond beer.
Full skull! Wasted time!
Are you fucking kidding me?
Sea of go fuck yourself!